We are here for the series. And let's have our years, Mr. Firoz. Take it away, sir.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I am Firoz Multani, founder of the BlackAura Foundation and director of Strategic Partnership, Panorama Finance. I have been involved in finance since last 15 years. And earlier adopter of blockchain and cryptocurrency, as well as are aware with the potential of blockchain and crypto of the currently challenges, both of the technologies. Challenges: the current stage of the trading crypto and building product of blockchain, both of them have been facing a challenge of the regulatory of transparency. It when the current acceptance of the rate has been high in last 3 years. Trading and blockchain challenges in blockchain trading and blockchain. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, in blockchain. Difficulty in investing, transparency, manipulation of the manipulation at certain point or due to a massive pump and dump, lack of governance and audit project, lack of liquidity and security. Blockchain challenges in blockchain, technology barrier, constant and rotating organization and the environment, scalability. Challenges, system related government barriers. BlockAura ecosystems. Our token is deployed on multiple blockchain: Ethereum, Polygon, and Binance Smart Chain. BlockAura ecosystem, the trading enabled on swap exchange, which allow us to keep our investor safeguard from manipulation. Secure smart contract. Code to avoid change in supply. Liquidity as highest priority to build a strong community for the transparency of trading activity. Challenges we are solving in BlackAura blockchain. First, transparent ecosystem. The government protocol in blockchain will allow the token holder to vote for project of their choice and get the most transparency required for the smart contract. Deploying on the network to be entire for the transaction for action. Any token to be deployed on the network needs to have 61% voting within the set time frame selected by the deployer. BlackAura blockchain in second regulatory challenges is solved. As a BlackAura blockchain is focused on financial asset to be traded on a blockchain. The regulatory compliance have been added as a core function to be declared for the transparency and audit purpose and avoid the duplication of the smart contract on the network. The regulator will have access to gain contract of the smart contract and post transfer or action using the interface enabled for the allow to investor protection. Lower transaction fees to allow our user to have lower transaction fee. We have implement to APOS. APOS means advanced POS. The consistent mechanism allow us to have a faster confirmation of transaction and making it light weighted for easy storage of the transaction and blocks using our encryption. BlackAura and reward function. This is the very differences. Okay, as a APOS is a being built using the similar principle of POS. We have also modified reward for the miner to be a distributed equality between the participant, minus allowing higher consensus to be reached and avoid scalability issue in the future. Higher TPS means transaction per second. BlackAura is achieved. We have BlackAura blockchain. We have adopted a lightweighted encryption and storage mechanism which allow faster consensus to be rich and complex enough to allow to secure secure the network participant and reach 500,000 TPS. 500,000 TPS. Okay. And BlackAura blockchain using the EVM with the Ethereum for the faster and easier adoption. We have used EVM which allow to the use the solidity for the faster adoption and deployment of project on BlackAura blockchain. BlackAura blockchain core advantage or BlackAura blockchain advantage programming language. We have a programming language in Solidity. Our transaction per second is 5000K. Consensus mechanism, advanced proof of stake, architecture, multi-chain and architecture. Scalability, multi-chain solution offer and better scalability. Okay, BlackAura blockchain. BlackAura has a daily volume of the more than 250,000K and total lock volume value of $5 million. And the fees of quarter 4 times growth every week on swap exchange such as Uniswap and PancakeSwap. This year we have believe in $1 billion to liquidity in this platform. Another one, we have one of the venture is a Panorama Finance. Is a particular for trading. So Panorama Finance aim is speaking further about trading with my other venture Panorama Finance. We have an ecosystem of trading product been created with the swap exchange being our entire product launch. Swap exchange. Now we launched our first product swap exchange in Panorama. There is our Panorama features is there. Our swap exchange offer as a security avoided by the DeFi community 2FA integration for the security of their fund. We are the first in the world 2FA factor, right? For any action on Panorama swap, user can enable authentication using Google Authentication 2FA and create a secure way of swap and liquidity management to avoid hack and unwanted access of their fund. Now after Panorama swap exchange, after we are planning to very soon centralized exchange. So our centralized exchange, another product we have in lineup, centralized exchange license in Lithuania, solve the below issue fee as revenue sharing, and we believe in our investor funds in insurance, right? So trader is most secure in our centralized exchange. There is a fee and revenue sharing. So this is the first model in the world of the Panorama Finance. Most of all exchange we have a taker and maker fees. We have a taker and maker, but we have a taker 0.08% or maker 0.05%. If you are trading our exchange, if your volume is less than there is fees. So flat, if your volume is high, you only pay only $25 in our exchange. This is the most beautiful and very attractive exchange offering. Revenue sharing of up to 40%. So we believe in community, decentralized base. So people help to us in building the community. So we are giving the 40% sharing to people rewarded. So we have a 10 level of referral commissions because the people is introduction our Panorama exchange. So 40% our revenue is sharing to people. Panorama ecosystem we have lineup product in BlockAura blockchain. Swap exchanges, our target next is swap exchanges, centralized exchanges, NFT, MetaMask, decentralized exchange, Panorama Launchpad, merchant services, debit card, credit card, debit card, gift card, white label services, and academic. So also we have believe in education to cryptocurrency. So we have already one of the product that name is the Global Blockchain Academy. So we teach and we learn how to trade, what is the blockchain, what is the future. So Global Blockchain Academy we are building. So thank you very much, my friend. Anybody want to more questions and answer and everything, anything you want to about a BlackAura, blockchain and Panorama Finance. So our booth number EP9 in BlackAura and Panorama G4. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Firoz, for that interesting presentation. Hope you guys enjoyed.